I'm Tina Perez. I'm the director of the Bachelor of Science in Beauty Business Management. It's a very diverse program, but it's all about being passionate about that beauty industry and finding your way into it. The beauty industry is one of the most exciting ones to enter right now. It's been recession-proof. It's always growing. It is one of the few categories that grows no matter what takes place in our world today. So right now it's about a $480 billion industry, and in the US alone there's over 1 million people employed by this industry. Think about going onto a website or into a store, right, like Ulta, Sephora, and think about all those products that are in there. How did that product get on that shelf, and who got it there, and who created it, and who's taking care of it every day to make sure it's a successful business? That's what you're going to learn how to do here. The major consists of two different programs. We have the AA in Beauty Marketing and Product Development, and we also have the Bachelor of Science in Beauty Business Management. The AA is all about creating that product initially, finding that target market. When the BS goes a step further, how to manage the business, how to make it profitable, how to make sure that you can do negotiations and sales and that you can run the numbers and you can run your business, whether it's your own business or whether you work for somebody else. So combine the two programs really make you a strong candidate in the industry. Just go into LinkedIn and search Beauty and FIDM. And you do that and up comes all of our alumni and the companies that they're in. And they're in companies like Anastasia, managing education and training, Glam Glow in charge of product development, NYX in charge of marketing, Algenist doing operations in the behind the scenes. So, you spend a little time there and all of a sudden you start to realize the diversity of the positions that the students go into because of the diversity of what they learn here. If you're the kind of person that just breathes beauty day in and day out, this is going to be the program that just really excites you and makes sure you have a lot of fun, but it's going to challenge you so that you can be the best you can.